National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, Walton County in north-central Georgia, northern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lakeview Estates to Millstead to Magnet, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conyers, Monroe, Loganville, Social Circle, Oxford, Porterdale, Walnut Grove, Between, Good Hope, Jersey, Georgia International Horse Park, Lakeview Estates, Windsor, Nicholasville, Big Haynes Creek Park, Panel, Ebenezer, Bold Springs, and Almond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed. The National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.